Hi, this is Mr. Jeffries with Day 3 of Distance Zero, a daily message for students everywhere. In spite of all the upheaval, I don't want you to be frightened. Cling closely to your families. Stay connected with those you care about remotely, and preserve faith in science, for it is the scientists who will save the day. You can stay informed about the progress of science by referring to such tools as PubMed, a public archive of scientific studies. I'll link to it below. You might find reading scientific studies daunting at first because, of course, they're very technical. And yet, the authors do write to be understood, and if you plow through at least the abstracts, which summarize the studies, you will be amazed at how much you do understand, and you will be as well informed as anybody at that point, and better informed than anyone who ignores science, who doesn't value it or doesn't understand it. I'm also going to link to a study that I think might be very interesting for you as a youngster. It talks about how young people are affected less symptomatically by coronavirus, and yet they can transmit it for a long time, evidently. What that would mean is that the sacrifices you're making right now are helping all of us. Now, this particular study is an observational study. It's not an experiment, and maybe in a future video I'll explain the distinction. So this one isn't exactly proof, but it does indicate that there is perhaps evidence worth exploring further.